What's going on, entrepreneurs? Designed to stay with another video. As you can see, we got our instant ink in the mail finally. Not gonna lie, I ended up getting new black ink, but I did just run out of color ink, so it came perfectly. I'm about to show you guys how to change the cartridge and then how to align the printer afterwards. This is the same thing for most HP printers. Some things you want to keep in mind: make sure your hands are clean, don't touch the sensors of the printer and where the ink comes out, and just be very careful. Pop this thing open. Alrighty. Thank you for signing up. Now you'll never run out of ink. Well, hello. Have our color ink. Have our black ink. Go ahead and I'll bring the camera to the printer now. Alright, we have our printer open. We have our Deskjet. So basically, you got this door here. You're going to just pull that down. Ink is going to go to the middle. There you go. Color is on the left side. So one thing you really want to do is hold on to the back of the printer and just use a little force. Take that baby out. We're going to recycle that. And then we're going to open up our new cartridge. This is what you don't want to touch, this stuff here. So we're going to go to the top. That orange piece. Let's go ahead and grab that up. Peel that off. And like we said, grab it from the back. Get it in there, use a little force. Get it in place. Shut the door. The computer is going to read that you just put a new ink in there. Okay, so you hit the X. Alright, guess I'm all good to go. There you have it. That's how I put the instant ink in there. It must have aligned itself, and I didn't have to print out the page and scan it. So there you have it. Instant ink. You rock. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. And we out.